The Dogs of the Dow strategy is an amusing name, not just because it involves the word dogs, but because it goes against the Wall Street adage of picking winners. Instead, this strategy bets on turnaround stories among the blue chips. Let me unpack the pros and cons for you. Pros of Dogs of the Dow. 1. Simplicity. It's as straightforward as it gets. At the start of each year, you buy the 10 highest dividend-yielding Dow stocks. Even someone who's new to investing can follow this strategy without having to understand complex financial metrics. 2. Dividend focus. Since you're investing in high dividend yield companies, you're typically earning decent cash flow through dividends. This can be particularly attractive during volatile market periods when stock price appreciation may not be guaranteed. 3. Historically strong performance. Over the years, this strategy has had periods where it outperformed the broader market. It's had enough winning streaks to keep it relevant among some circles of investors in Portland and elsewhere. 4. Value investing. By buying the Dow components with the highest yield, you may be getting them at a discount. The high yield suggests that their stock price dropped in the previous year, and theoretically, they might be undervalued. Cons of Dogs of the Dow. 1. Past performance isn't an indicator of future results. Like any strategy relying on historical data, just because it worked before doesn't guarantee it will work in the future. 2. Overexposure to a single sector. Sometimes the dogs could all come from one or two sectors. If that sector tanks, your portfolio might take a significant hit. Diversity is the spice of life, and also investing. 3. Underperformance in bull markets. During strong bull markets, the dogs can lag the market since high-yielding stocks are often mature companies with less growth potential. 4. Missed opportunities. By limiting yourself to just 10 Dow companies, you could be missing out on high-performing stocks outside the Dow Jones Industrial Average. There are many out there with a lot of barks and even more bites. Living in Portland, Oregon, we know a thing or two about being underdogs and rooting for them. The Dogs of the Dow has that kind of appeal. But as with anything in the investment world, it's essential to do your due diligence and consider your overall financial strategy before following the pack.